Right now, I want to show you how to do WordPress installation by local Flywheel. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to visit localwp.com if you don't have the software installed in your PC. So let's visit localwp.com, and then once you get here, you click on the download button. And then once you click on the download button, you have to choose the system specification. Do you use Mac? Do you use Windows? You have to specify. So I am using Windows, so I'll have to tick the Windows here. So you have to fill in these blank spaces, which thereafter, once you're done, you click on the get started, which will now prompt you to downloading the software. Well, I already have the software, so I will be downloading the software at the moment. Once you're done downloading, you install and then you start from here. Okay, this is the application opened. These are some of the websites that I have built in the past, and then some are functioning while some are not functioning anymore. So this is just what it is. So now let's create our WordPress installation site. So at this moment, let's click on the plus button on the left hand side. So you click on it, you see add local site. So when you click on it, there are some options there for you to select. Let's select the create a new site, and then you click on continue. So let's give our site a name. Okay, at this point, I think let's give it tutorial. Okay, and then you click on continue. At this point, we have preferred and custom two options. The custom is for an advanced users, so based on that, we're not going to be making use of the custom. Let's use preferred. So let's click on preferred and then click on continue. And then right here, we have to select our username. Let's select our username, and then here we're making use of admin as a username. And then let's create our password also. After creating the password, the next thing is to click on add site. Okay, creating site folders. So let's wait for a while. This will take us few minutes depending on how fast your computer is. And then once this is done, it will create a WordPress installation files. The installation is being processed, which after we'll have the permission to log into our admin panel. Alright, so our website has been powered with our local host. So this is the name of our website tutorial. So when you want to log in, you simply come over to, when you click on the open site, this will take us down to the front view of the website. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, our website front end is showing perfectly well. And then let's go to our cPanel. Once you click on the WP admin, it will take you down username and password, and you place them in here and then click on login. So this will take you directly to your cPanel, your administration panel, where you can always do your designs. And then so that's how we install WordPress locally using local flywheel. Thanks for watching.